Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 12S, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So to do it, you will need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly you have to remove cover. Yeah, these default Xiaomi covers are just impossible to remove. Such a good quality. Okay, I got it. So what you do, put this tool inside the hole next to this slot here. Slightly press it, slot pops out. Now we can eject it with our bare hands. So here we have a slot for SD card, and here we have two slots for SIM cards. This one is for SIM 1 and this one is for SIM 2. So you put SIM card like this and then put it all back into your device. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is detected. And there's also a notification saying that SD card found. Tap for safely remove device, which indicates that SD card is also found. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.